Hey there, this is Zoe Clarke, Customer Training Specialist at RosterElf. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to exclude specific staff from your timesheet export. Selective exporting keeps your payroll precise and saves time. Let's jump straight in. How to switch to By Employee View. Go to the top menu and select Payroll. Switch the view from By Day to By Employee to see staff listed individually. How to exclude staff from the export. In By Employee View, locate the checkbox next to each staff member's name. Untick any staff member you do not want included in the export. Untick the box at the bottom of the list to exclude all staff in one click. How to process payroll to Xero. Confirm only the required staff remain ticked. Click Process Payroll to send the filtered timesheets to Xero. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our friendly support team is available 7 days a week. Happy rostering!